All right, in this video, I want to show you how you can successfully connect your payment account like your Payoneer or your PayPal. But in this case, I'll be showing you how to connect your Payoneer to your Fiverr account so that you can withdraw your money from Fiverr to Payoneer and from Payoneer to your bank account here in Nigeria. Now, if you have not watched my video on how to create a Fiverr account or how to get your Fiverr account successfully verified, please make sure to go to my channel and watch those videos, because if you look at this channel if you look at this account right now on this place, you can see that it's saying good news, your information was verified. Now you can also see the screenshots right here of the verification. So just watch this video, come to my channel and watch this particular video, this one here that says verification process, verify fast on Fiverr. Now when you watch this video, you will see the process by which I got my account verified. That particular account, I have different accounts, and that was how I got this particular account verified. And if you look at this account, although I've been making money in this account, you can see I've made up to $800 in this account, and right now I have up to $56 right here to withdraw. And on Fiverr, as long as you have up to $20, you can withdraw that money to your bank account here in Nigeria. So I'll be showing you the process of connecting your bank account. That's your Payoneer. And then also, if you don't have a Payoneer account, I'll be dropping a link so that you can use that link to register on Payoneer. But if you don't know how to register, just drop a comment in the comment section saying, please, can you do a video on how to register on Payoneer? And I will do the video for you so that you can understand how to register and also get a working Payoneer account right here in Nigeria. If you look at my own Payoneer account right here, let me just log into my own account. All right, so if you look at my own Payoneer account right here, you can see I still have about $38 right now. So if I withdraw that money to this one, that is about $90 or so. So you can see I use this Payoneer account for my Amazon KDP and for my Fiverr. So you can see them right here. I use it for my Fiverr. You can see Fiverr right here. You can see I've sent to my First Bank, from Fiverr to First Bank. Yeah, so this is Amazon. This is Amazon. You can see payments coming from Amazon and what, Fiverr. So this is what I use my Payoneer account to do. So I'll be moving that money from Fiverr to this place real quick. Now let's go ahead to do that. And before we go ahead to do that, if this is the first time of seeing my video, you are welcome to DigiTribe. In this place, I show you every simple ways to make money online, every simple and legitimate ways to make money online. So you come here to learn, you go out there to create your own, and then you start earning money for yourself. And when you start doing that, please don't forget to bring your tithes to the storehouse. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification icon so that you will get the latest update from me. All right, with that said, so let's dive back into today's video. Okay, so let's first of all connect our Payoneer. Now, if I click on this place right now, so before you come to this place, actually, let me come to this place. Before you come to that earning dashboard, you have to first of all be on your seller's dashboard like this on your Fiverr. Then you click on my business, and then you click on what, earnings. So when you click on earning, it's going to bring you to this place. All right, so now that we are here, I'll just click on add payout method. So I'll click on add payout method. Now you can see you have Payoneer account, you have bank account, bank transfer, and you have PayPal account. So please don't go for this bank transfer. You see, it's still powered by Payoneer. Instead of using this one, just send it to your Payoneer direct, where you can now withdraw it from your Payoneer to your bank. It's easier and better that way. You understand? So I'll just click on continue. I've selected Payoneer account. I'll click on continue. So of course they're going to send me a code to verify this on my what, on my phone number via WhatsApp. So that your phone number that you're using for your Fiverr must be connected to WhatsApp, because they work directly with WhatsApp, not messages. You get? So let me see, they've sent the code. I'm just going to put the code right here. So this is the code. I'm going to submit it right here. Your phone number was successfully verified. Continue to Payoneer. So I'm going to click continue to Payoneer, and then I'm going to go to my Payoneer account to link it, right? So what next? Now, because I'm not logged into my Payoneer on this account, that is why it's saying, what is your business email address? So they're asking me to create a new one. But I already have an account, right? So I'll say, already you have a Payoneer account, connect your account. So I'll click on connect right here. Once I click on connect, the next thing you will see is a login. So since I clicked on connect because I already have a Payoneer account, they are saying welcome to Payoneer. Let's get you signed in, right? So I'm going to sign into my account, but this is not the account I want to use. That is account for different thing entirely. So let me just come back here. So this is the account I want to use, right? So I'll just use that account, paste it here, then I'll take the password. So I'll also paste the password here. So I've pasted the password and the account details. So I'll click on login. Let's connect our account. So I can start to save it. It's my laptop. There's no issue with that. So let's wait for them to connect the account to my Fiverr. So once you put your email and your password, if there is a Payoneer account linked to that particular email and password, then it should be connected. So you said enter the code shown on your authenticator app. Of course, my Payoneer account, I put two-factor authenticator for it. So I'll have to enter the two-factor authenticator. You know, when it comes to money things, you have to be security conscious. Yeah. So let me look for, so after putting the code, I've click on continue. So we don't recognize this device for you, blah, blah, blah. This is just for device recognition, you get. So because they don't recognize this device, for your security, confirm it's you via the email we sent to this. So they've sent me an email to the email that is linked to this Payoneer. So I'm just going to confirm me that it is me. All of these things are for security reasons, right? Because it has to do with money. So so they've sent it, I've seen it on my phone. Yeah, yes, allow it. So I'm just going to click on my phone and then it's going to authenticate with this. All right, so as you can see, it has been authenticated. I have allowed access, and then let's wait for it to now connect to our Fiverr. Say you have added a new funding source to your Payoneer account, which is the Fiverr. That is a funding source I added right now. You may now receive payment from Fiverr to USD balance. Understand? To view a full list of available funding sources, log in and blah 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 blah. So you've successfully submitted your Payoneer application. Now you can see I've submitted the Payoneer application. So you will get an email soon as it is what approved. Guys, I have added the account. This is how you can add your payout method, which is your Payoneer, to your Fiverr account. Now, if you don't know how to do all of these things, please watch the video again. And if you don't have a Payoneer account, use the link in my description and get a Payoneer account for yourself. Payoneer account is very, very important for your business, especially if you're doing online businesses in today's world. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the payout method has been added. That is why you can see manage payout method, withdraw balance. Before, it was just add payout method that was here. Now that the payout method has been verified, we can now withdraw. So if I click on this manage payout method, you can see Payoneer account. That is the one that is being added. If I click on this three dash here, I can see remove account or add new payout method. So I just add only my Payoneer method. So I'll click on withdraw balance right here. So right now you can see I cannot withdraw the balance right here because they say I have to wait 24 hours after changing payout method to make a withdrawal. So I'm going to wait before I can withdraw that, right? So we're just going to wait for that before we withdraw. All right, guys, I believe you enjoyed this video and you got value from it. If you did, please do smash the like button, turn on your bell notification icon so that you get valuable information like this from me again. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching.